Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, we're gonna be making an Afro fusion beat. So I already have something I've started working on, or I've almost finished working on it, and I'm just gonna play it for you guys. Then I go into the breakdown of what makes this beat really, really interesting. So without wasting time, let's just go right into our JW. Yeah, so I'm sure you can hear how hard this is. Yeah, so basically when you hear there are different types of genre of like Afrobeat, you have like Afro dancehall, Afro swing, the Afro pop, the Afro fusion. What we are talking about is the drum groove. The drum grooves determines what kind of Afro vibe that is. And for this Afro fusion, we just have a very, very simple drum groove where we just have the kick, the hi-hat, and the snare or the rim shot. So I'm just gonna play what the drum sounds like. Very, very simple. So that's basically what we have for the drums, right? So in terms of the groove, right, sound selection is always key. In order to have banging drums, in order to have hard hitting drum groove, you need to spend time selecting the right sound. And I've said this a couple of times, because once you select the right sound, you really don't need to do much when it comes to the mixing phase. So in this case, I've selected this kick, one of my favorite kick, this MSP kick 3, very, very punchy. You have some hi-hats. So we have this hats, just then have the open hat. And then for the rim shot, just a very, very tight rim shot. So we have this. So for the rim shot, for an Afro fusion beat, all you just need to do is place your rim shot. You start with your rim shot, basically. Just place the rim shot right here. So I'm going to take it to the channel rack so you can see where it is. So just this point. And they're basically the same point. So on this and on this, so we have this. Then for the kick, you can decide to play with the kick wherever you want the kick to be. This kick can be anywhere. But for this rim shot, those are the key places where your rim shot should be. Then with the kick, like I said, you can play the kick basically anywhere. So I can place it here also if I want to. But yeah, I just left it like this, just very, very spacious. So that's why you need a very punchy kick, because the kick is coming in randomly. So whenever the kick comes in, that impact needs to be felt. Yeah, so you have that. Then for the hi-hat, we're just playing some groove with it. So I use two different hi-hat. This is what one sounds like, and the second one, just to give it a different feel, sounds like this. They sound almost alike, but they're kind of different if you listen closely. So have this. Yep, and that's basically everything for the drums. Trust me, any other melody you put in here is just gonna fit, because you've already gotten the Afro fusion drum groove. Every melody you put is just gonna fit. Then I just played some chords, some nice pad. We have this, and I'm using the SKY keys, the sky keys, the body vocal chop. Nice. Yeah, then I just have a bass, yeah, which I've consolidated, but yeah, this is what the bass sounds like. Yeah, simple. Then vocal sample. Yeah, and this vocal was done by Nize. Nice vocal sample, and sounds really, really, really amazing. So you can see how before it just carve what we want off this vibe just from the drums. The drums is what's giving it the groove, giving it the fusion. So like I said, your rim shot is always going to be constant. You can play around with everything, but when you're starting, just make sure you're placing your rim shot on those spots, right? So yeah, sounds nice. Then every other thing just layered on another chord, which is the same chord progression as this. Yeah. Then just drum fill. And basically that's it. That's how you can just easily make an Afro fusion. Like every other thing are just additions, which was played by my guy Nize. So he played some organs. So yeah, that will be my assignment for you guys. Just try to create the Afro fusion by just placing your rim shot or your snare on those exact spots. Just put it here and put it here, and start building other sounds. And you don't even really need to do much. You already have it hitting hard once you can select the whole sound. And I'm going to show you how you can easily mix your beats to sound really, really interesting, really, really nice and spacious in the next video. So in this video, just going to show you guys how you can just create that drum groove, that fusion drum groove. And so far, this is just everything basically on the beats. Very, very simple beat. So I hope you got something from this. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post, because I post all the time and you definitely don't want to miss out. And if you want to get access to nice one-shot sample packs, make sure you are on the Patreon. The link to join the Patreon is going to be in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.